Good morning students. Today I am going to explain lesson 1 class 9th English Beehive book. Name of the lesson, as you can see, The Fun They Had. Today I am going to give you the overview related to the plot of the story, the time when the story is written, and what is inside of the story. So let us start. As you can see on the screen, Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157, 2157. That means the time the story is written, it's a future time. It's almost 130 years in future. So, how the study system will be in that time? Now look at the screen. Schools of the future. Most probably the students of that school in future time will be learning through computers. There will be visual classroom. The teacher will be either a robotic teacher or we can say a mechanical teacher, and there would be hopefully no books. They will read on laptop, computer, some electronic gadgets like so. In that time means from today almost 130 years in future, as there would be no books, students will be reading, studying, giving tests and all those things on virtual classes through technical support by computer, internet and all those things. In that time, suppose if someone receives or gets a real book, means now a book, now in our time, the book we use for studying and reading, making notes and all those things, how would be the reaction of those students in the future time? Margie and Tommy, they are the two main characters of this story. Margie is 11 years old and Tommy may be 13. One day, Tommy found a real book. Here real book indicates today's book, means the printing books on paper. When Margie noticed that a book, Margie was curious to know about the book, and she asked to Tommy where he has got the book. Tommy replied to her that he found that book in his room, in his house, in attic room. And as it was a very old book, so the pages of the books were turned yellow and crinkly, and it looked funny to them because it was a printed book and the words were not moving on the screen, because they were habituated to learn and study things on screen, of computer screen. So every time they used to find the letters and pages turn around and move around from one places to another places. But these books, means these printing books, the letters and words remains the same. In point number 2, as you can see, Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. It was a disgusting feeling for Tommy, and he thought it is a kind of waste, because once someone will completely read the book, then that person will have to throw it away. But their computer or television screen can consist of 1,000,000 books. Even after that, they cannot throw it after reading, because still millions of books can be installed or read. Then Margie asked Tommy, what is the book is written about? Then Tommy replied to her that the book is related, or the book is about school. Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? Because actually Margie hated school a lot. Why Margie hated? Because the mechanical teacher used to give her a lot of tests in geography, and Margie was actually not doing good in geography sector. That's why once Margie's mother sent Margie for a county inspector. Here county inspector is not a police inspector. County inspector represents to a mechanics who used to fix the problems of some technical gadgets and all those things. And when that man, that county inspector or mechanic arrived, he was a very round little man having a red face. He came and gave Margie an apple and then started inspecting the mechanical teacher. And finally he took that mechanical teacher away, and Margie was happy and hoping that it would take long to return that mechanical teacher after fixing. But alas, after just 1 hour, the county inspector returned and he finally refixed that machine, that mechanical teacher. Anyway, after returning to that mechanical teacher to Margie, the county inspector informed Margie's mother that it was not Margie's problem actually. It was mechanical teacher's problem, because it was geared too high, and finally he had slowed it up to an average 10 years level, which was actually Margie's level. Margie was actually disappointed because once Tommy's mechanical teacher had some problem because its history sector was completely blanked out, and the county inspector took that mechanical teacher and returned only after a month. But it didn't happen to Margie, so she was actually upset. Then Margie told, why would anyone write about school? Then Tommy informed that it was not an ordinary school. It was a different kind of school. Centuries ago, the school was a building. School was actually a building where lots of students used to gather together according to their age and standard. They used to study in separate classes. Margie was hurt, and then Tommy then informed that there it was a different kind of teachers also, because there were not regular teacher. Regular teacher means the mechanical teachers. In that time, the teachers used to be human being. Margie was surprised how a human being can be a teacher, because according to Margie, human being cannot be that much smart like a computer teacher or mechanical teacher. But Tommy informed that it was not true. Tommy told that his father used to know almost everything like his mechanical teacher. Anyway, Margie didn't want to quarrel with Tommy, so she actually wanted to learn more about the book. But as they were just reading and trying to know about more about the book, Margie's mother used to call Margie, because it was Margie's study time, and she informed Margie to attend the classes. Margie actually didn't want to join the class right now, but mother insisted Margie to do so, and mother informed Tommy also. Maybe Tommy also had to attend his class also. So Margie nonchalantly went to the class, and where the mechanical teacher was ready for a new lesson on arithmetic. Margie was upset, but still still had to attend the class, and the teacher was flashing on the screen when we added fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 ... But Margie was still thinking about that previous school when the teachers were human beings. Lots of students used to go together, used to play and share their homeworks, take help from one another, and was actually thinking that how fun they used to had in that time. So this is the main theme of the story. Hopefully you have got it, and now it's your turn. Go through the whole chapter again, and if there would be any problem, you can talk to me later, contact me directly. Thank you.